it to cool, so the heat came on, and I felt it. Heat's coming on, started to warm up up there. And I was like, you know what? I wonder if the fucking compressor's on. It was.
Because you...
So
when you put it to cooling, the heat came out and the compressor's running?
Yeah.
Sounds like you have some wiring issues.
Yeah,
so
I
let's
think
go
so
check
too.
it out.
And I didn't want it to blow
Who
up.
connected the Nest?
I connected 2 of them,
Okay.
and then I had an HVAC guy do the second ones because I wasn't here.
The one that we're working on?
Yeah.
The HVAC guy did?
Yeah.
Really? Let's see. Check it out, right?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Hope all's well. It's beautiful out in New York. What's today, like 35? 46 degrees. It's 46 degrees according to G. But we're going to a no heat call though. It says no heat at one system. I don't know if there's only one system in the house or there's 30. But that's all it says on my notes. But Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And we'll see what it is. Straight up. These driveways are crazy, bro. It's literally longer than my street that I live on. Hello.
How are you guys?
How you doing?
Coming in.
I'm Paul. What's going on with the system?
Air handler.
Okay.
One is out.
What do you have? A hydro system with a boiler?
Yeah,
Okay. So is it upstairs or down?
downstairs.
Okay.
But I don't know which one. So we had a guy from the heating company come in.
What, oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just to take a look and right. So he went through and he found that one of the air handlers downstairs is not working.
Okay.
But he doesn't know about the ones upstairs. But upstairs the heat is okay.
But he works in HVAC? He's an HVAC guy?
No, he just found a couple of things that were not.
But what does he do for what kind of company? Does he do, no, not the name. Does he do heating and air conditioning?
Just heating, just boilers.
Just boilers. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Let's go inside. $113. Let's check the filter. She's getting heat. So it's not going to be an air handler issue. That's hot. Boiler's hot. You guys saw the 113 degrees. Filters are plugged up. I don't know how many. I don't know how many air handlers you have here. But this one definitely needs to be changed. It's funny what a filter will do. Or cause the system not to do. That you're comfortable. 68? Okay. Take your time. This air handler's not working. Put the fan to on downstairs. So I'm going to open up. It says no power, right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so it looks like I have a bad thermostat. So I took my R and my G. So we're calling for fan only downstairs. So I'm going to jump my R with my G here. So my G is my fan. My R is my power. We're going to jump it. And then I'm going to press power here, and then the fan will kick on. Because we're calling for fan at the thermostat. So it's going to be a bad thermostat. Now I don't have it jumped, R and G. And we'll go downstairs and show you. And it's calling for on. The fan is set to on. 67 calling, and it's only 64 in the house. 2015 batteries. So they're rated till 2025. Let's see if that doesn't fix the issue. 2023. So, go ahead. That'll do it. R&W. Right, so we're out of there. You're going to have an electrician run a thermostat wire down the wall. A 5 or an 8 wire, and then hook up a nest for them. We're running service calls today. I'm not going to start running wire and snaking it through a wall. So they have heat in the other 4 systems throughout the house. Let's see what's next. RTU, not working. Let's check it out. It's hot. Let's check the camera if it fogs up. I think so. Might be.
I just saw your head.
Yeah, right? It's about propane. About the propane company saying the heat wasn't working. And I just talked to the lady at the front desk. She said that they let the system run empty. The propane ran empty. So, if I remember correctly, yep, you have your propane fill. So she let the propane run empty here. I guess, I don't know if they tested the heat or not, but they said it wasn't heating. This one is heating. My man is checking the belt and the filters and the belt. And then that we're gonna check. I didn't even look at that and see if that's on. Filters need to be changed. That's direct sunlight, bro. And check the belt, please, right here. Making the pizza. How do you do it? Well, look, making the pizza. Pepperoni. Gonna return with 6 20 by 25 by 2 filters. Okay, this guy's good, bro. Heating also. We're on to the next job. That was a waste of a call, bro. I mean, why? It's 48 degrees outside right now. It's gorgeous out, dude. That's a hot car, too. But it's 48 degrees, and it's December 30th, 29th. Can't get my dates straight. To an AC, a no heat call, or, okay. So I'm going to a call that says, when the heat is on, the AC runs. When the AC runs, the heat is on, and the compressor sounds bad. I don't know. It's probably a heat pump. Let's see what it is. Oh, so you set it. Hold on. So you're set. If you set it to cool, the heat's kicking on.
Yep.
If you set it to AC, the heat kicks on. Set it to heat, the cooling kicks on. Okay.
But when I set it to cool, so the heat came on, and I felt that heat's coming on, started to warm up over there. And I was like, you know what? I wonder if the fucking compressor's on. It was.
Because you.
So
when you put it to cooling, the heat came out and the compressor's running?
Yeah.
Sounds like you have some wiring issues.
Yeah,
so
I
let's
think
go
so
check
too.
it out.
And I didn't want it to blow
Who
up.
connected the nest?
I connected 2 of them.
Okay.
And then I had an HVAC guy do the second ones because I wasn't here.
The one that we're working on?
Yep.
The HVAC guy did?
Yep.
Really? Let's see. Check it out, right?
Yeah.
Is the one that.
So, this is the thermostat here? So if we jump R, W, and G, in a perfect world, the heat should go on. What you're saying is when the nest faces on and you're calling for heat, which is R, G, and W, the cooling will go on.
Right.
Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a wire nut, jump these to see.
Okay, cool.
If the cooling goes on right now with these 3 wires, which it should be the heat if these 3 wires are touched, then it's going to be a backwards wire issue upstairs. If the heat goes on right now, which it should, then it's going to be a thermostat issue. RG and Y, or RG and W is heat. So we're going to jump them and we're bypassing this. Okay. R, condenser, fan. Okay. Safety switch. Okay. Thermometer, please. Thanks, cousin. So you're saying it was blowing out hot air down there?
Yes.
If the pipes are hot here too, so it's going to be his thermostat, dude. It's not. It's surgery. Good old Google. I actually like the Nest. A lot of people hate them, but it's going to be the thermostat. Yeah, the AC's not running. Guys, cray. But I would feel it. But my coworker's going to check it. He told me the compressor was running outside, or the condenser. So I'm gonna go slap another thermostat on the wall. Based on this, I have 117.5 degrees. So coming out of my supply. So I'm waiting for my coworker just to make sure the condenser's not running. I don't think it is. I would have felt it, but can't rule anything out these days, that's for sure. It's not running like I thought. So we'll see what he wants to do, if he wants another thermostat or not. We've never been here before, so I don't know what he wants to do. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Okay. I want you to be able to check temperature. Because he wants to reset the thermostat and see if it's something with the program, but we'll try. Let's see how the thermostat does it without it being jumped. So we're going to put it to heat like we just had it and see if the AC doesn't kick on. Beautiful equipment. 2018 Amana. Okay, 107.6 at the supply. 17 up in the attic. 118 in the attic. So, and that's with the thermostat on the wall, calling for heat. So it could be, like I said, an intermittent thing. Because right now we're on heat, mode heat. Yep. Sure, nothing was backfeeding here, but nothing is broken. So that's beautiful. The ducks, not the house. Houses don't impress me, I'll be honest with you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I think I got like 2 or 3 calls on there today. It's been crazy, but today warmed up nice, right? What is it, 48 you said before? What's it now? It's gotta be cooler now though, right?
I don't know, I can't say.
It's probably, there's no service here. We're in New Canaan, Connecticut, and there's like no service. I just had to use the guy's Wi-Fi. But anyway, yeah, that was basically, I don't know if it's a nuisance call or what, but I couldn't duplicate anything he was talking about. The AC was kicking on when he was calling for heat. Heat was kicking on. I immediately thought it was a wiring issue, like he threw the W at the Y and vice versa, but then he told me his HVAC guy came over and he was messing around with it. So who knows? I don't know what I can't call it. So at this point, he's heating even with the thermostat on. I don't know. I went out to the condensers. That's where I took that shot of the Amanas. The helicopter was right there, though, so I couldn't really talk. But I wanted to make sure he wasn't dual cooling and heating. But whatever. He was a chopper.